Hello everyone, my name is Manin Sam. My student ID is 6710545592 and today I'm going to present you about my project called Poker but Rigged. And rigged in this context is that you can see your win rate of your hand at all times. So what I'm talking about is this. So if I click the button start game, it will start my game. And this is just like a normal poker game, but you have this peak button where you can press it and you can see your estimated win rate of your hand. So my win rate of my 10 and 9 is currently 52%. So I'm gonna play one game of poker for you. So I'm gonna check. And the bot is thinking. The bot is actually not thinking, but it will go to the CSV file to get the data on what action it will perform next. Okay, so I'm gonna check again. Now the community card is displayed, and now if I peek again, my win rate should change. Now it's 37.2%. Now I'm going to try to raise the bet. Okay, I'm gonna raise. If in this case I have 975 chips, if I raise like 5,000, it wouldn't work. It display not enough chips to raise. Okay, so I would raise like 400. And the bot is thinking, the bot is calls. So now it's 815 in the pot. Now I'm gonna check. Okay, bot chooses to check. I check again. Bot chooses to check. Okay, now I check again. Okay, so in this case, the bot wins with 3 of a kind because he has 1 queen. And in the community card, it has 2 queens, so it's 3 queens in total. Okay, so if I continue the game, it will reset the game by loading the screen here. Okay, enough with the demonstration. Now let's go to the UML diagram. So basically, right now it might look a little bit messy, but I will try to clean it up as much as possible. So right now, I'm going to talk about my main class, which is Game Runner. So the Game Runner, what it does is it will chooses what to display on the screen. So as you can see in my poker game, this is the game display and this is the main menu display. Okay, so the runner is responsible for that. As you can see, it aggregates to the class game and menu class, and it points to the poker data dashboard also, which we will get in later. Okay, so this and another one is the poker game. This is responsible for the poker logics, like the check, the call, the folds, and who wins the pot, what is the next turn and stuff, which is very important also. It has like about 4 dependencies, like the player actions, the game, and many things. The player manager, bot manager, and stuff all comes down to the poker game. Okay, and the poker game has a deck class in it also. Okay, now on to the next. We are gonna talk about data processing, which is in here. I click the button statistic and you wait a bit. Yeah, and here are the graph that I've prepared. So I prepare about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs for you, 5 graphs and 2 tables. So these are the graphs that I've made. These are the action distribution, the win rate distribution, the hand strength, which type of hand wins the most, estimated win rate. So you can see it's upper correlation. That means if the win rate is high, the chip one is also high, and the win rate versus fold rate. If the win rate is high, the fold rate will be low, as expected. And this is the data I got. So I got the total round played, the average estimated win rate, win-loss ratio, net chips gain, and showdown win rate. Let me explain why I choose 5 of these data to keep. So the total round played, it helps evaluate the average game duration and the consistency of the gameplay length, which is useful for the performance tuning and UX balance. And about the average win rate, the estimated win rate, it just analyzes how reliable the information, the win rate estimates are across the various scenarios, helping validate the hand logic evaluator logic. And for the win-loss ratio, as you can tell for the bot actions, it seems unfair for the bot to play against the human because the bot has many data that it can take action off. So it just reviews the fairness and competitiveness of the game AI versus the player. And the net cheat game is similar to the win-loss ratio. It's just like review how effective the player and bot capitalize on the good hands. And the showdown win rate just provide insight into how accurate the final hand evaluations are and whether player and bots are making good choices when going to the showdown. And overall, these analytics give a deeper look on how the game functions and balance. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for listening and hope you enjoy the overview of Poker But Rich.